What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Secrets coming at you with another video. And before we get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Any newcomers, welcome to the family. Family, what's good? And before we get started, because I know, little nail clam. So y'all, I love The Simpsons. I love The Simpsons. Come on out, get into it. Donuts, beverages. They're just so cute. And you know me, I love the bling. It ain't me if it ain't bling. So yeah, that's nail clam. And without further ado, we're gonna get into today's video. So y'all probably wondering why she got a shoe on the table. I know they brand new, so I ain't wear them yet. So y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really into Crocs, but I did get suckered in. I seen Mrs. Nicki Minaj, her video and her photo that went viral when she had on the hot pink Crocs, and honey had the bling. And come on out, bling, y'all. I had to join. So I'm like, okay, y'all know I'm bougie on a budget, which I'll try to link everything down below. Certain things are from Aliexpress, y'all know how that goes. So on Aliexpress, I'll let you know which items are from there. Now, give you some tips on how to search for them. But y'all, I went the little cheaper route, so I got me some Amazon inspired Crocs. Y'all know I got some big feet. And then I got me some Walmart Crocs. So I was like, why not get on here and basically bling out my own Crocs? We bougie on a budget. We doing it our way or the highway. So that's what we gonna do. So I'm gonna do these first. So the charms I'm gonna be using are from Aliexpress. I found these by just typing in Croc charms on Aliexpress, and it'll give you like so much of a selection. Put that over there. So this is like a chain. Y'all know me, extra with the glitter. So I got two chains. And then these little cubic zirconium hearts. But look at that shine, y'all. It also got me like a Superman little charm. I thought that was so cute. We'll take that in a minute. And then these ones, they're crowns, and I thought those are so cute. So I just wanted to do them pretty simple. Got my scissors here. Didn't want to do nothing too major. My thing is, however you want to bling out your Crocs, baby, you do it how you like. Me, I feel like I got more than enough bling, so we're just going to, work with what we got. If we feel like it's not enough, we can always build on it, so no pressure. So let's see, take this shoe first, and I don't know, y'all, we don't see how this go. See, problems with having long nails. Okay. I should never put the lotion on. That would have been a smarter idea, right? Because I feel like my hair is just sliding. Y'all, it's not going. Okay, yes it is. So I think that is so cute. And then okay, there you go. Y'all, tell me that bling ain't cute. Come on. So yeah, this one right here. And then, I don't know, should I add the Superman or just leave it like it is? I just add that just because it's pink and it gives a little color. Y'all, tell me that ain't cute. Come on now. Get rid of this. So I'm gonna do this one. Y'all, comment down below. Let me know, like, I know I'm late on the train, but do y'all like Crocs? You know, do y'all decorate your Crocs, or do you just wear them, you know, straight up the packet, plain Jane, which is nothing wrong with that, but just let me know, how do you wear your Crocs? Do you like just solid colors? Do you like the rainbow joints, or the tie-dye ones, or what else do they have? I think they have like the army fatigue, you know, those kind. Y'all, this one ain't trying at all. And I don't want to use no scissors, because then the thing probably won't. Hold on, y'all. That's that one. Probably put this one down here. Wait, y'all, hold on, because these ones, they acting stubborn. Y'all, I can't do it. I'm not trying to break a nail. Because, baby, when these things break, they hurt. Okay, there we go. I'll put this one up here. Alright, so there goes these pair. So we're just gonna set them up like that. Now, these charms are from Aliexpress. So I purchased these charms, and you get 100 pieces. Now, these can be used as Croc charms, or I guess they like got Croc bracelet type things, and you get like a whole bunch. Let me just move this up so you can see. And I just thought these were so cute, and I just wanted to use some charms on these ones, especially on those hot days, because I don't like shoes personally. I walk around the house barefooted. That's a bad habit I have, but especially when you don't want to wear no shoes, no socks. I noticed that these little things is comfortable. So as you can see, they got the Simpsons. They have the rainbow, Superman. They are all types of different ones. Backyardigans, Iron Man, just different ones. Yeah, I don't know which one I'm gonna put on here. I forgot her name from the that little Dr. cartoon show. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I want them to match or not. So let me just figure it out, and I'm gonna come back. So hey guys, this is the finished product for both Croc dupes, and below are just the little charms that you can select from. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this will inspire you to maybe bling out your own pair of Crocs. But please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.